Let's take a plastic bottle and poke a hole at the bottom with a knife. Just be careful with the knife. And now I'm going to make stripes in this bottle. It need not be straight. It's okay if it's not straight, that's not a problem. We have got all the vertical stripes. Now fold the stripes upwards. Fold the bottom stripes too. Now insert the balloon inside and blow it. Once you have blown the balloon, just make a knot at the end. I have taken a hard paper to make the base of the flower vase. I'm using masking tape. You can use any kind of tape to stick this. I'm going to stick newspaper on the surface using this homemade glue. The link for homemade glue is given in the description box, you can check it out. Make sure you are sticking more and more of papers so that it should be strong enough. Let this dry completely. Do not cut the balloon, let it stay inside. I got these kundans from nearby shop. So we are going to make patterns with this. For that you need to find the center part of the spear and then start making the designs of your own wish. If you can make your own designs, you can skip this part in this video because I'll be showing how to make a design in this video, so you can even skip this part. Mix plaster of Paris and water and apply on the surface with fingers. Do not use brush because that's definitely not going to work. Once you finish applying plaster of Paris, wipe away the excess with dry sponge or cloth. and then use wet cloth to wipe away. Let this dry for 24 hours. Once it is dry, you can also apply for second coat of plaster of Paris, that's your wish. And now I am taking a scrubber, just scrubbing over the surface to remove the excess plaster of Paris. You can also fill the cracks that has been formed with this scrubbing process. And finally, wipe away the surface with wet sponge or cloth. And then let this dry for a few minutes and your flower vase will be ready. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please do watch our other videos too. You might like all the videos. So have a nice day.